Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 5.1 question number 8. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? Right? Let us find. Suppose one angle is, let us take one angle is 50 degree. 50 degree is greater than 45 degree, right? Therefore, one angle is equal to 50 degree and which is greater than 45 degree. Right? We have taken an example. Therefore, to make it a complementary angle, the other angle will be complement angle will be 90 minus 50, that is 90 degree minus 50 degree, that is 40 degree. That means it should be less than 45, which is less than 45 degree. Right? We have taken an example. Now we will solve this question. Let the complementary angles be let the complementary angles be x and y. And we know that if the sum of the two angles is 90 degree, we can say it as complementary angles, right? Therefore, since these are complementary, therefore we can say x plus x plus y is equal to 90 degree, right? X plus y is 90 degree. It is given that x is greater than 45. It is given that x is greater than 45 degree, right? Therefore, you can say x is greater than 45 degree. Now, adding y on both sides, adding y on both sides, we are getting x plus y is greater than 45 degree plus y. We are adding both sides y, right? And the value of x plus y is 90 degree. Therefore, here the x plus y is 90 degree, or you can say in another way that 45 degree plus y 45 degree plus y is less than x plus y. 45 degree plus y is less than x plus y, or x plus y is 90 degree. We know that here x plus y is 90 degree. Therefore, 45 degree plus y is less than x plus is given as 90 degree, less than 90 degree, right? Therefore, you can say that y should be less than 90 degree minus 45 degree, less than 90 degree minus 45 degree. Or you can say that y is less than 90 minus 45 is 45 degree. Y is less than 45 degree. Therefore, you can say that the complementary angle is less than 45 degree. Thus, you can say that its complementary angle, its complementary angle, its complementary, its complementary angle is less than 45 degree. Is less than 45 degree. Right? Let us repeat once again. Let the complementary angles be x and y. Since this is a complementary angle, the sum of the angles should be 90 degree. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 90 degree. It is given that x is greater than 45 degree. Right? Adding y on both sides, we get x plus y is greater than 45 degree plus y. Or you can say that 45 degree plus y is less than x plus y. Or 45 degree plus y is less than x plus y is 90 degree. That is 90 degree. Or y is less than 90 minus 45, or y is less than 45 degree. Therefore, you can say that its complementary angle is less than 45 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.